Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to Ashimary Hair for sending over this beautiful wig that we are going to go into. I'm so excited. This is everything that comes in the box. Okay. Wig band, brush, another edge band, their own HD cap, a razor to slit the hair or the lace, some lashes of course, a beautiful robe that we will be wearing, and they sent me a little gift which I'm super excited for. It's a necklace. This is so cool for Valentine's Day, so thank you Ashimary Hair. And then this is a beautiful wig that we are going to go in. It's a 26-inch, saw it on the bag. Water wave. I am so excited. Look at that lace. This is absolutely perfect. I cannot wait. Now this is branding right here. You see that? Come on now. It's been a while I don't wear a curly wig, so I'm super excited for this one. Yes. You know what I am going to do? I'm going to wet this up before I install it, so the curls, you guys can see the curls much better. Yes, that's what we're about to do. But let's go into the lace and look at the lace. So excited. Look at that plucking. Let's go. Alright guys, it's a 6x4.5 lace closure. The lace is already cut, pre-plucked. I love that for me. This is another quick and easy install. It's a HD lace that I love, very thin. They pre-bleach the knots for you, so super big enough for me, so you don't have to worry about it, okay? So we're gonna install this wig, but I'm gonna wash it first and let the curls be more defined because it's water wave. I love me a water wave. So beautiful, and it's 26 inches. We're gonna get to install this, but first let's go and wash it. Look how thin that lace is. Nice. Alright guys, it's time for us to install the wig, and I'm also wearing this beautiful robe from Ashimary Hair. Now I know I look crazy, and yes, we made some cornrows. Hey grandma. Anyway, they have their own cap. How cool is that? Like literally they make their own cap. That's effort, okay? When you try to brand your own stuff, they should put these in store. So these are the HD caps. Yep. Even though it's a closure, I don't know, I just feel like I start to add caps on my head and it just look nice, period. Okay, so the first things first, definitely gonna add some makeup to the cap because it's giving, you're gonna see the wig on my head. So I'm just using a darker shade powder, and I'm just basically gonna place the powder exactly where the lace will stop, which is the it's a closure, so simple as that. Okay. All right, the robe is given. I should wear her later. All right, this is the wig. I went ahead and I did wash the hair because with curly hair I like to, you see how the curls look so beautiful, so I that's just a preference for me. We're gonna fix this on. It's a HD closure wig. That's what I like. It didn't come with an extra band, but I could put one on it if it's not that snug. I think I have extra bands. Let me check. They probably forget to pull on. Let me see if there's a band, if this is a band. No, but I have extra band. I'm always having extra band. Anyway, let's see how it fits first. Are you seeing that? Are you guys even seeing that? It's given, do not take me off, just style me, and we're good to go, sis. All right, that's what I like with my hair. I like to see the curls, okay? Anyway, this is how it looks. It also have, I don't have to add the bandana because it fit my head, because the wig comes with the attachment around the back that we could just put together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am not gonna add a band to it. But you guys know the adjustable bands. I could have added one if I wanted, but the wig snugged the head. So being that we're wearing it glueless, we just want to make sure that it slides on properly. Oh, there we go. Basically that's it. All we gotta do is style it. So I'm gonna get into styling it. You guys will see that. Let me start this iron. I'm really thinking about just adding a little bit of baby hair to it. And I really feel like I want to go in a little bit and do a little bit of plucking. Yeah, just fade out a little bit more. So we're going to go in and then we're going to define the curls some more because I want more curls. But so far it's looking good. So let's go in with this. I just turn it on, so we're going to have to wait until it's heated. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna definitely add some baby hair with just some mousse because we want to make sure it's glueless. Alright, in the meantime, we are going to define the curls a little bit more. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to do this. As you guys see, I'm not really adding any at the back because I washed the hair, so it's already super soft and more curly. Just trying to get all the ones at the front to not be too poofed out, you know. We're gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes and then we're gonna take it out and see how the glueless method is. In the meantime, I think I need to do my makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my makeup done. And then I'll show you guys. You see, it's now really relaxed. The hair feels so good. So let's get this makeup done and then we're gonna come and reveal the glueless install. Super easy, you can do it. So let's do that. We are ready to reveal this. All right, so makeup is done. Let's see what the hair is giving. Okay, all I have to do is just add some makeup because that thing was there, so we just need to add a little bit of makeup around the edges and that's it. Powder. This is it. This is giving. Guys, look at that. Girl, you wanna come to my hotel? Baby, I'ma give you my room key. I like it. Alright guys, this is it. let's do the test. Let's do the test, okay? Tail comb. What lace? Oh, see that? What lace? Are you seeing it? All right, Ashimary, this is it. This is the final look. It is 26 inches. I told you guys that before. And look at that curl. Water wave. Y'all see that? Glueless. I did go ahead, give you guys the illusion, so I made some baby hair, which is absolutely beautiful. Love it. Can take it off, put it back on. I did add a little bit of curling thing at the front just because I wanted the curls to be more defined so you guys can see the wig more beautiful. So that's what we did. But it's 26 inches. It is a perfect glueless hair. When I tell you the cap is HD, so you don't have to do nothing. All you have to do is slip it on. I did not add the band to it. I just put the wig together, the complete wig. You can close it together and it's snug on your head. Fits on my head. Nothing is short. Everything is just complete. Love it. The wig, it is full as well. So that's something to look into. So thanks again to Ashimary here for sending this beautiful wig. I love it. We're gonna go into the slow-mo. Everything will be in the description. So check it out if you want this wig. It's been a while I don't wear a curly wig, right? So we're gonna get into it, take some pictures, get the slow-mo. Just check the description, okay? Y'all, okay? 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 All right, guys, thank you. Let's get into the slow-mo. You ready? You ready?
You other way around, that you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it. Relax and let the waves sneak